Stop imagining fighter jets. The fastest animal, relatively speaking, is way smaller. Meet the Australian tiger beetle. The Australian tiger beetle can dash up to 9 kilometers per hour. Sounds slow, right? But for its size, that's like a human sprinting at 800 kilometers an hour. Faster than a fighter jet taking off? If you blink, you'll miss it. And here's a bonus. The snapping shrimp isn't the fastest runner, but it shoots bubbles at over 100 kilometers per hour from its claw. That bubble pops so loud it can knock out fish. Nature doesn't mess around when it comes to speed, even in the tiny leagues.